last video lecture, we have seen the packing efficiency in SCP, simple cubic close packing, means primitive unit cell. In our today's lesson, we are going to learn about the packing efficiency in body centered cubic, means BCC structure. To calculate the packing efficiency in any type structure, first of all, we should have two types of value: volume of cube, right? And second, volume of sphere. Okay, as we all know that in BCC structure, the number of spheres is 2, as per our previous calculation, right? Now we can find the volume of 2 sphere. Therefore, volume of 2 sphere is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 8 by 3 pi r cube. Did you get my point? Now our first value is being calculated. Our second point is how to find out the volume of sphere. Now volume of cube is equal to a cube. So first of all, we should know the value of A. How can we calculate the value of A? For that, we have to mark the points in our figure. We can mark the figure with A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. In cube, we know that the value of all edges are equal. So we can title the length of all these edges as A. All A are equal. Now the value of FD becomes B and the value of FA becomes C. Not only that, we can see that FA have 4R. This one, the second one, the third one and fourth one. So we can say that C is equal to 4R. It is very needed in our calculation for further step. Okay. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to calculate the volume of cube. How can we be able to do it? Look at here. In triangle FED is a rectangle. So we can apply the formula of Pythagoras. FD square is equal to EF square plus ED square. You can see that EF, where it is, EF is a one edge of cube with length A. So A square, we can say that A square, and ED is also A square. But FD is B, that's why FD square is equal to B square. So we can say that B square is equal to 2A square. We can mark the value of b square. From the value of b square, we will be able to write the value of b. So b is equal to root 2a. Once again, one box is being made for the value of b. So what we did, we have identified the value of b square and then after value of b. Not only that, our next point is, our triangle is ADF. I can mark the triangle with vertical line. So you can apply once again the Pythagoras theorem for the rectangle. So we can write that in a triangle ADF, for triangle FDADF, it has also rectangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem for ADF. So what is the formula? AF square is equal to AD square plus FD square. The value of AD is A. Value of AD is A. Then A square plus FD is B. So B square. And AF is C. So we can say that C square is equal to A square plus B square. But we know that B square is equal to 2A square. Then A square plus 2A square. So we can say that C square is equal to 3A square. Once again, we can mark the value of C square. From this value, we will be able to derive the value of C. What is the value of C? That's why the value of C is equal to root 3A. So we have find out the third value of C. Now, our next topic, that as per our figure, look at this figure, focus on this figure, FA is equal to C and C is equal to 4R, because radius 1, radius 2, radius 3 and radius 4 is accommodated over here. That's why, not only that, but C is equal to 4R. So we can compare the both value. C is equal to root 3A, C is equal to root 3A and C is equal to 4R. Therefore, C is equal to root 3A is equal to 4R. That's why the value of A is 4 upon root 3R. 4 upon root 3R. Once again, we can mark up the value of A. So what we did, we have identified the value of A. Now, our next topic is how to identify the value of volume of cube. Now, our two values have been identified. That's why the formula of packing efficiency, in BCC structure is equal to total volume of two spheres divided by total volume of unit cell multiply by 100. So friends, keep the value in this formula. as per our previous calculation, the volume of two sphere is 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by the volume of a cube. A is, we can write over here also. Therefore, volume of a cube is equal to a cube, and a cube is equal to 4 upon root 3r whole cube. So we will keep the value of a cube in this formula. That's why 4 upon root 3 r cube multiply by 100. If we put the value of the pi 22 by 7, then the total value of this section will be 0.68 multiply by 100. That's why it will be a 68%. So friends, what we have seen, therefore packing efficiency in BCC structure is 68%, and the vacant space which has been not covered by the spheres is 100 minus 68, means 32%. So friends, in previous lecture we have seen the packing efficiency in SCP. In this lecture we have seen the packing efficiency in BCC, and in our next lecture we will see packing efficiency in FCC or CCP or HCP. So I hope you understood the point is very perfectly. So write down in your notes and try to learn it. Thank you.